So you were just in a car wreck. And fortunately, it was not your fault. Your car is severely damaged and your neck and back just plain hurt. What should you do? The police have just arrived and there's a tow truck pulling up to the scene that you didn't call. The officer asks you a few questions about how the accident happened, asks for your car insurance information, and wants to know if you want an ambulance. Meanwhile, the tow truck driver is reeling your car onto his tow truck and intends to take it back to his lot. People are standing around wanting to know if you are all right, and the other driver is still sitting in her car and has not made any effort to speak with you. For those people that saw the accident, make sure you get their name, address, and phone number and ask them to tell you what they saw, because you will need that information when you come to see me. The police will generally interview any witnesses who step forward, but not always. Take pictures of the vehicles and the accident scene with your cell phone camera. Get the name, address, and phone number of the other driver and memorize any words the at-fault driver said to you, such as, "I'm so sorry," or "It was my fault." Since you feel like you might have an injury, by all means tell the officer that you want an ambulance. Don't take the chance that you might be better in a few days, because failing to see a doctor within a reasonable time following the accident may come back to bite you later. The insurance company will claim, well, he must not have been hurt that bad. If your injury was such that you have to be off work a few days or longer, make sure your doctor will write a note that you were unable to work, or otherwise you may have difficulty getting your lost wages paid back. Try to get the property damages resolved as soon as you can, because that tow truck driver is charging you a daily storage fee. Insist on the insurance company removing the vehicle from his lot right away. The insurance company usually can take the vehicle to a salvage yard it contracts with on a regular basis. If you have an accident with serious injuries, you really need to call me, because serious injuries may take longer than a year to heal. Your attorney can protect you from losing a valid claim by filing suit before the statute of limitations expires, and can collect all the necessary medical records, medical bills, and catalog all liens that may arise from your medical bills. By retaining me as your attorney, you also get the benefit of over 20 years' experience in practicing law and 15 years' experience in insurance claims, who knows what proof is needed to take your case to trial if necessary.